This is Ali. Ali is sleeping. Ali wakes up in the morning. Ali is late for school. Ali is very sad. Ali quickly gets ready for school. Ali walks quickly to school. Ali gets to the school. Ali runs to the classroom. Ali says to the teacher, Assalamu alaikum. May I come in, teacher? The teacher says, Wa alaikum assalam. Yes, but why are you late today? Ali replies, Sorry, teacher, I woke up late today. The teacher tells Ali to try to be on time for school. Ali feels sad. He promises his teacher that he will not be late again. The teacher smiles and starts the lesson. Ali is happy. He sits down for the lesson.